Hi guys, Phil Morgan here. Very quick video today about a new product out called Cashsmash. The reason it's a quick video is the program talks for itself. It's not push button. If anyone finds any push button system that's actually worked for them, my emails should be at the bottom of this page, and I'd love to hear from you because I've probably missed it. They always say press two buttons. That they don't press two buttons. You have to do a lot more than that, and you have to keep going. And when they say you've got 2 million or 20 million or 14 billion, I've seen people, they are there, but they don't all want your product. Some of those 14 billion people want a dog's lead. I mean, it's just silly to say that you've got this market. Your market is people who want your product. It's not the amount of people on YouTube or TikTok. So let's have a quick look at Cashsmash. I think this is brilliant. It's absolutely simplicity. So I'm going to go through the bonuses first with you because I think the bonuses we're going to give you are ludicrous to get this product. So we're going to go through the bonuses quickly. Number one, Cashsmash. 3-in-1 email marketing app. Email marketing is the lifeblood of your business, whatever you're doing. So people say don't email anymore. They're lying to you because it means they're doing it and they don't want everybody else doing it. So great product there for you, free when you get this product. ClickBank, how to master ClickBank. Many of you will know ClickBank. For those that don't, it's a platform where you can get products to sell. This tells you all about it and how to use it and how to make money from it. Another great product for you for nothing. This one is all about traffic. Traffic you need whatever you're doing. And this is about 3 great sources for traffic done by a guy called Jono, who is a multi-millionaire doing all this. And the reason, someone said to me once, if he's a multi-millionaire, why is he still doing this? Because he wants to have more money and retire in about 4 years' time and do what he likes and leave money for other people as well. So that's why, as a millionaire, he keeps working. But this is 3 traffic sources for it. This one is a product that Jono again brought out. It's called Goodwill. This is a make money product. This would have cost you hundreds to buy. You're getting it for nothing. And this one down here, the guys who do the program are going to give you some bonuses as well. I'll be honest, I don't know what they are. But this will link you to the bonuses that you're going to get with them. I'm going to give you some extra stuff that I'm throwing in for you. It says Phil's extra 10, well, actually works out to 12 because I added these bits on afterwards. So you've got 12 money making products and tutorials on this program here. And then I got a bit silly with it, so I've thrown in this as well. It's another 17 bonuses you can get. You can sit there when you go through this page and read through them yourself. But there's 17 extra bonuses there, and this is all, you get all of this free. The bonus is there, the bonus is there, the vendor bonus is there, the Goodwill product there, the traffic source is there, how to master ClickBank here, and you get the 3-in-1 email app. This is all free for buying the main product. So let's have a look at what you're going to get with the product. It's called Cashsmash, and I think before I go through the upsells, I'll show you what their page. When you come through to my page, you'll get the secure your copy and your bonuses. That will take you through to this page, which is the sales page of the guy that's doing this. If you want to read this, I can't stand rap music, but they've done a great rap tune to marketing this product. I think it's an age thing, to be honest. But the page goes on a little bit. It tells you about how they do it and how you want to make a life as a millionaire. You're not going to be a millionaire doing this, but you can make money doing it. 25,000 in one method. This doesn't come overnight. This is a bit of a hype with it. But the products do make you money. They're all tried and tested. You can only do this if you work. It's not something where they're saying you don't have to do anything. So they're not overhyping it up. But the money is there if you put the work in. This one's so simple. This is a guy that's huge on the internet. So the chances are he doesn't use this product. So I'm being a bit cynical on some of this, by the way, that you get people you know to promote it. This doesn't take away the benefit of the product for me. This is just something it's a bit standard in the world at the moment to have to keep overhyping. So this one's well overhyped. What would you do if you go shopping without price tags? We all know we want money. If you didn't want money, you wouldn't be here listening to this. This product will make you some more money. How much it makes depends on how much you put into it. So I won't go through the whole product because it's the page, because it's a little bit repetitive. This bit is true. Most of the people trying to make money online don't make any money online because they do not follow through. This is the biggest cause. But this is not push button stuff, as I said. This is shows you 7 methods. So once you buy the product, let's come across to this. This is the area you walk into. and you've got a welcome from the two guys that have produced it, and then it breaks it down into 7 methods of making money. Domain flipping, Bobby, one of the guys that does this, made load of money initially with domain flipping, and this works. I like domain flipping, and this does work. It doesn't work tomorrow. It takes you time to find domains, it takes you time to put them up on for sale, but he shows you how to do it. Method number 2 comes down to launch jacking. This is a process of when someone's launching a new product, it shows you how to tag on the back of it, should we say, to make money from it. And we've got creating bonuses. I've given you some bonuses myself, and it shows you how to create a bonus page. The page I showed you a minute ago is actually, we call it a bonus page, and it shows you how to deliver it all. Method 3 is using Fiverr, and one great way of using Fiverr is say that you can do something, accept a job, then get somebody else to do it for you. And it shows you how to do that as well, and it shows you how to use Canva, which is a product I use a lot. And then you come to method 4, which is Quora, however you pronounce it. Quora is great because if you go to Quora, people are asking questions, and once somebody asks how to do this, all you've got to do is find an answer, which you can find on Fiverr, you can find it on Google, you can find loads of answers, you can find some stuff on Warrior Plus, but they show you how to do this, and then you reply with an answer. So if someone says, how do I train my dog? You can answer that with, this is one of the best dog league programs going, dog training programs going. They buy that, you get a commission. But they show you how to do all that. Method 5 is product creation. The best way of making money is product creation, definitely, without knocking everything else that's gone on. This is the best way of doing it. It takes a little bit of time to do it. They're going to say you can do it in 2 minutes. You can't. It shows you how to pick the product, create the product, sell it, get people to sell it for you, and put it on the marketplace. Great little method there. Online surveys, we all know that online surveys can work. They're a bit laborious and a bit repetitive, but they're going to show you some great ways of doing that, and is showing the choices, the best places to go. And reviewing anything. If you've seen some of these inboxing things on YouTube, I mean, they're incredibly bad, most of them, but you can improve upon that. You can review a product. I was one of the mattress, so I went into a product called 10 Best Mattresses. I mean, the guy's never tried these 10 best mattresses. He just gets a commission for whichever one you buy. So there's ways of making money on with these 10 best this, 5 best there, because they all have affiliate links to them. And you get an upgrade with it, you get some upgrades. I'm going to talk to you about them in a minute. And there's a bonus they've got in there at the moment, how to make money from a simple video on YouTube. So this is how simple the program is. It's just got 7 ways of doing it. But what you must not do if you do this, or when you do this, don't do this for 2 minutes, then this for 2 minutes, then this for 2. You'll get nowhere. Pick on one, go through them all, pick on one, and then do it. And then go to product 2 and do it, or method 2 and do it, or whatever order you do it in. But don't skip and scarf. Don't read 2 lines of this and wait till, this works, and then nip down and wonder what this is. Go through them all if you want, but then concentrate on just one. Shown you their sales page. Let's have a look at the upsells they get with it all for you. Taking a couple of seconds to come in. Sorry about this. Here it comes. So this is telling you what it's about. Front end, $12, 13 rather. That's all it is $13, and you get all the goodies that I've shown you already. Upgrade 1. This was a puzzle in my life. If you've seen my videos before, I don't know why people do this. They put it in at 27. If you say no, they drop it to 17. I think they'd be more honest. They just put it in at 22. But that's me. People think they're getting more of a bargain on the Dell sell. Upgrade 2, so upgrade 1 is it gives you another 7 methods to go for it. For $17, it's a good buy. And you also get some extra, you can read this again in a minute, cheat sheets and Fiverr Stardom and Bobby's own domain flipping cheat sheet. So it's giving you the domain flipping course anyway, but he adds some extra bits to it on this. Upsell 2 is $37. For $37, you get a product called Fiverr Rocket Course and all the OTOs. It's $37. This would have cost you about $200 to $300 if you'd have bought it at the full price. So $37 instead of $200 or $300, I think it's an absolute bargain. Superstar consultation. You'll have to watch the advert for this. What they do is when you buy it for your $12, then they'll offer you the other stuff. and they'll say, do you want this? You say yes, you buy it, and if you say no, they drop the price. If you buy it then, or don't buy it, they offer you the next one. When they come to this one, it says the creator of Fiverr Rocket has selfishly devoted his time to hundreds of people to succeed online. Now we can help you do the same thing with an in-depth consultation. It's a private consultation. I don't know how long it's for because they don't say it on here. Probably an hour, but check on the bits with it. For $100, it's worth it if you need more help. Okay, because the guy I know him. He's great. He knows what he's doing. An in-depth consultation isn't him talking, as I'm doing now. Really, it's him conversing with you, and it's a big difference on it. And the other one here, reseller rights, $47. You have the right to sell this product, and you get all the money. So if you buy for 47 or pay 47 and someone buys it, you get 12. So 4 or 5 people buying it, you make the money. If anyone buys this, you get the full $27 to go with it. That's a misprint there, by the way. It should say $17. If someone buys this, whatever it is, you get all the money, and that's what the resale rights mean. So that's it. So there's a demo. I put a demo video, and what I'm doing is tack the demo video on to the end of this. So if you want to sort of finish with me now, I'm going to say thanks a lot and cheerio and go and buy the product. The links are below. Also subscribe for me. But after that, I'm going to tag on the demonstration video. I've also put the demonstration video, if you don't want to watch it on this video, on here. So this is the demo video as well. And so if you like the rap music, that's on the sales page up here. There, wrong button. It's a clever little twist they've done to it. It's right at the top there, but they've done a rap tune with it as well. And it is actually quite arty and quite flash, I think. So Cashsmash, 7 methods to make money. I've shown you the bonuses. I'm giving you 27. There's 5 others there. That's 32. One there. That's about 33 bonuses you're getting, all relevant, all for $12. So I would say go ahead, buy it. The links are below. The first link takes you straight to the page where you can buy it from the guys. The other link takes you to my sales page where you can see the bonuses again if you want to do that. I said after this I'm going to put on the demo if you want to watch it that way. So thanks a lot. Have a look at the product. Subscribe on the button below. Let me know what you think of it once you bought it. I think it's really worth the money. And thanks very much for listening, and take care. Look after yourselves.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cashsmash review. This product is gonna come live on 9th of August at 10 AM EST. This product is done by Bobby as well as AJ. These two guys have really smashed the product. You can see the logo itself. It's so smashing, right? So these guys have given out 7 methods to make money online. It's very simple, and they have put down a lot of effort into the training, and let me go over each and every method. I will show you what's this method about. The first one is domain flipping. All you know, like there is a lot of domains available online, and there are certain domains which are actually being registered to someone else, but you got to sell it. There is lot of people who actually buy the domains and flip it and sell it for a commission, right? That's what these guys are showing up, how to buy the domain, how to sell the domain. I mean, how to in an easy way, how to place it to sell it, right? There are a lot of things which these guys have explained. I mean, to be very frank, Bobby and AJ are like really knowledgeable on domain flipping. So you guys go ahead with this method 1 if you're doing domain flipping. I mean, if you don't like method 1, you can go for method 2, which is launch jacking and promoting the affiliate offers. This is really great too. I mean, if you have seen a beautiful rap created by AJ, they would have shown how exactly these videos are made so attractive to sell a product, right? I mean, they have explained this one over here in the method 2. If you go for method 3, that's Fiverr thing, how to get gigs in the Fiverr using Canva and other things where you can make money. That's simple, right? That's so simple on Fiverr using Canva. Canva is a free application. It's a graphic designer tool where you can make a decent income if you post a gig on Fiverr. I mean, the 4th one is they're showing something with Quora profits. What's that? And that's a hack. Okay, I can't I can't give complete details on that because they have put a lot of effort into this. This product is not expensive too. If you are really interested into this, go get it. The link will be right down below this video. Anytime you can go grab it. Along with that, couple of bonuses I have tied up with this. The fifth method is intro to product creation. Guys, this is amazing. You are not only the customer, you're not only the flipper, like you are still being considered as a vendor. Like this is what he teaches, how to create a product and host it in certain marketplaces where you can get sales and reoccurring sales with recruiting affiliates and enter the marketplace. The whole concept of the full affiliate marketing related to the product creation has been described in this method 5. When you go for method 6, it's an intro to online service. I mean, these guys are shown like how to use this service to make you money, right? And the 7th method is intro to reviews. Okay, I can't go in depth of anything, but the thing is, like, these are insane methods, like 7 methods for just how much? Let me go over. For just $12, guys, for just $12, if you're going to get 7 beautiful methods explained so clearly, so over the shoulder course training by Bobby and AJ, you can go get it seriously. And the thing is, the whole funnel is for $12.95, the front end, the ultimate collection of this money on demand 7 methods which I have shown, and the upsell is cash explosion, which they call it, gives you a further 7 methods. Wow, further 7 methods which can replace your 9-to-5 job, all those things. Yeah. I mean, these things is beautiful, right? Like 7 more methods. And the upgrade 2 is $47. Full Fiverr Rocket, Fiverrlicious course and all audios. This course last year has won a lot of hearts. Really, it's amazing course. Along with that, he is giving away Fiverrlicious course for $47 complete worth of training, all the audios, which is worth of 500. Absolutely, that's true. And he's giving away 47. That's insane. And 197, he's giving 1-to-1 superstar consultation. Wow. Okay, the creator of Fiverr Rocket has, I mean, this is like either Bobby or like someone else who is a creator of Fiverr Rocket. He's going to devote his time to help you guys to succeed. That's insane, right? That is an upgrade 3. Then you go for upgrade 4. That's a reseller rights. If you want it, if you can sell this course to someone else, if you like it, you want to recommend to someone else, then get the reseller rights where you're gonna get 100% commissions without doing any work, just recommending. It's called as arbitration of traffic arbitration. I mean, I don't want to explain all these things, but guys, this is insane for $11.95. If you want to buy it, the link will be below. Go get it along with all of the bonuses. Thank you very much. See you in the next review video. See you guys. Bye.